loves, it's Angelica aka Angie B, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be talking all about the 30-day rice water challenge. Okay, so getting straight into the video, if you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It'll be linked right down there, as well as the bell icon, which just makes sure that you guys get notifications every single time I post. You won't get them late, you won't get spammed, you just get the little one notification every single time my video gets posted. So if you are not part of the fam, make sure you join it. So if you haven't watched any of my other videos about rice water, I suggest you go and watch them. The first video I'm talking about is how to make rice water, because the exact same recipe for the rice water is exactly how I'm using it this time. And I'm gonna put in I'll put in a few clips of me just pouring it into the spray bottle, but you can watch the video. I'm gonna link it in the eye right here so you guys can see how I made the rice water for maximum hair growth. And second video that you guys might want to see is my 10-day rice water challenge, and you might even be from that video. So if you are, welcome. If you haven't seen it, if you're not sure about whether rice water actually grows your hair or not, I suggest you watch my 10-day rice water challenge, because I was shook by the results I got in 10 days. So since I thought 10 days went so amazing, why not try 30 days? So now I'm going to go straight into how I'm going to be doing the challenge. And if you want to join me, you can do it exactly how I'm doing it. Or if you want to like tweak it and do something else, you can always comment what you're doing in the comment section below, so we can all get some tips and all, you know, grow our hair together. Okay, so getting straight into the rules of how I'm going to be doing this. This is what we're going to be doing. When I did the 10-day rice water challenge, I did put rice water in my hair every single day for 10 days. For a month, I really don't think it is necessary or maybe good for the hair. If you would like to do that, you can go on and do that and let me know in the comment section below, because I'd like to see how it goes. But for me, this is how I'm going to be doing it. I will put a little clip so I can voice over so you can see just a little clip of what I'm doing. I'm just putting it in the same spray bottle, which just has water right now, but I will fill it with rice water. And what I will be doing is this. 2 to 3 times a week, I will be spraying my hair with rice water, and I'm going to insert a clip of me spraying my hair with this. I like to do it at night, and it's during the day right now, which is why I'm not spraying it right now, but I will insert a clip later on in the day of me spraying the water in my hair. And I always spray the water in my head at night. You guys can put it on whatever time during the day, but I personally think nighttime is better because you're sleeping. It's allowing enough time for everything in your body to regenerate. That's when you get the most hair growth. That's when your skin gets better. Everything is just better at night because you're sleeping, you're resting, everything is regenerating. So I do put the rice water in my hair at night. Okay, so now it is later on in the day, if you can't tell, and now it's time for me to spray my hair with the rice water. So, you know, I'm just gonna spray it and run it through my hair. Just kidding. Time to take out that wig, girl. Okay, so my hair is in braids. Just like last time, take the rice water in the spray bottle. This is exactly how I did it in the 10-day rice water challenge. It's exactly how I'm going to do it now. So today's day 1. So I'm focusing it on the roots first. Oh my god, these dogs are driving me crazy. Please ignore the sound of the dogs. The back, like underneath the braids back here. I don't know if you could even see any of that, but hopefully you get the idea. Then I spray on my edges. I just do like a wide spray over everything. Especially the ends. This is my little oil mix that I made, and I always shake it up because it has different thicknesses textures of oils. So for them to mix nice and evenly, I shake it before every time I use it. And what's in here is basically exactly what's in like my after eyelash serum, which is serum oil. It's castor oil, avocado oil, and almond oil. I usually also put peppermint and tea tree oil, but because we have that in the rice water, I'm not going to put it because we don't need it to be double. So I just put about this amount. Hopefully that will focus. Rub my palms together. And then I just do this. Put it all over the hair. Then on the days when I'm not doing rice water, because I said I'm only doing it 2 or 3 times a week, I will most likely scalp my hair just with the oil, and by that I mean like I'll do that and then run it down. But for this one, I just feel it necessary to put all over all the hair, because like I said, my hair seems to be a little sensitive to rice water. So if I don't put oil on top, I need a little bit for the ends. If I don't put oil on top, it makes my hair feel sort of hard or dry. So the oil just helps prevent that. So this is basically how I do my rice water every time I do it, and how I will be doing it during this 30-day challenge. Now when I go to sleep, I won't go to sleep like this. I usually sleep with the bonnet on, but it's kind of damaged right now. I'm sure you guys are familiar with my ugly satin scarf. It's still surviving, you know, bougie. No. So I just tie it like this. I don't tie it too tight, just loose enough like this. Tie this over this little piece that's left here. I'll make sure the braids stay tucked in, and I just tuck it into the side like that. Or however you want to tuck it in that makes you feel comfortable. And then done. I go to sleep. Of course I wash my makeup off first, but it's not time to go to sleep yet. So yeah, this is basically what I do. I also just want to point out that I like to put this in my hair not right before I go to sleep, just in the evening or at night, because I don't want my hair to be too wet when I go to sleep. Although I don't make it wet, it's just slightly damp. I don't completely soak my hair. I just make sure it's nice and damp. Please excuse the light going in and out. It's just the sun. How many times am I going to be doing this a week? 2 to 3 times. The first time will be when I wash my hair. I will do a rice water rinse at the end and leave the rice water in my hair. And then the 1 or 2 other times during the week I will do this will be with a spray bottle. I'll just spray my hair down. So that is what I'm going to be doing for the 30 days. So it's a 30-day challenge, but like rest days are included. So this is going to be over 4 weeks, of course. So I'm going to count 30 days from today, which is I'm going to put the date. I can't remember the date. Anyway, from this date today. And I'm not doing a length check because honestly, my hair is braided already. And the last time I measured my hair, it was literally exactly the same length as in the video for my 10-day rice water challenge. So I will put a little clip here, or you can just go ahead and watch the video, because I do a length check between like after the whole 10-day rice water challenge. So that's the length of my hair, and I will use that picture for reference for after the 30 days, because it's only been like a week and a half since then, and before I braided my hair I measured it and it was just exactly the same. So we are going to see in 30 days if there's going to be a difference. So make sure you subscribe so that you know, so you get the notification after the 30 days. If you don't want to, you know, I won't hold it against you. You can always just come back and check after 30 days, but you know, you might forget. So this is why I'm saying subscribe. I'm going to do, so this is my day 1. And if you guys would like a 2-week update, like in case I might have changed anything or added something, let me know and I'll make a 2-week update video. If not, then the next time we talk about rice water in our hair is going to be in a month. So I'm going to see you at the end of the month, end of the 30 days. We will measure our hair and we'll see what the difference is. And please guys, if you have tried the 10-day rice water challenge, tag me on Instagram, on Twitter, on anything. I'm going to put my social media handles here. I mostly use Twitter and Instagram. I do use a little bit of Facebook, but I don't use it as much as Twitter and Instagram. I would love to see you guys' transformations if your hair grew or just got thicker. It's mostly about hair health. Even if your hair doesn't necessarily grow, it might have reduced the shedding. My shedding really reduced like by more than half. And maybe your hair is shinier and a little bit thicker. That is still progress. It doesn't mean because you didn't get like a full inch then it didn't work for you. And so yeah, I'll be very interested to see that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.